Greetings, everybody. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for coming in. If you guys enjoy what I have to say in this video, kind of like a rant video, smash the like button. If you guys want to give feedback on it, that's what the comment section is there for. It's there at your disposal. So yesterday, I'm still shocked, baffled, and wowed by Technoid's rant on Twitter. He pretty much went off on Google and the Team Pixel people, those who select who gets into Team Pixel. And, I'm honored that they see the passion that I have in my content, and they believe in me and back me and support me. Words can never express how appreciative I am of that. And it's not just Technoid, Ciova and, Sneed, Carlos, Lawrence, Jose, Cesar. I mean, there's a lot of them. And I fully appreciate it, BTech Reviews and Paul Tech. Just a lot of people that, support and want me. And even Latrell, has been vocal about it in the past. And I just wanted to say that, my content based on Google Pixel phones is not for the Team Pixel guys to say, hey, let's get this guy, If they choose to do it, they choose to do it. It's never been something that I feel like that I'm the only person that likes Google Pixel phones, because there's a lot of other people that like Google Pixel phones because they know what they are. And that is the purpose of why I make videos on Google Pixels, is to get those that are the non-techies, the non-nerds, the non-geeks, basically the terminology hated most, the average consumers, to learn and know what a Google Pixel is. By making content that centers around different subjects that would have people say, hey, the YouTube search something and my video will pop up to show them what a Google Pixel phone would do, is the best experience in the world. These phones are amazing, from the intelligence that they have with Google Assistant, call from, call screening, hold for me, Magic Eraser, and all these real nifty features that these phones have. And even to the progress in the Google Pixels by having the Tensor G1 chip in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and 6a, to the upcoming Tensor G2, which, is a design chip by Google for their Google phones, for them to do what they want these phones to do, which is basically get smarter. Google relies on TensorFlow, which is an AI based system that allows these phones to learn. And I think that these phones are very intelligent, and best of all, they're helpful. The things that people look at a smartphone and say, my phone's not so smart because it should be able to simplify this, the Google Pixel phones do that. They do that for you. And the only way people are going to know about it is when there's more word of mouth. And, most people that are watching tech videos on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram are techies themselves. And I'm trying to reach the people beyond that for them to know how good Pixels are. I have used iPhones, I've used Samsung devices, I've used LG, I've used a lot of different devices, so that way I can see what the differences between them and a Google Pixel phone. That way I'm able to show what a Google Pixel phone can do, and that people should give it a shot. I mean, these phones are amazing. They're amazing. And I'm not blowing smoke up anyone's ass, and I sure as hell don't do this to get recognition from a team that gives out free phones. That's not my goal. My goal is for people to learn more about Google Pixel phones. And I said it before, if I never get invited, it's not the end of the world for me. My thing is that I enjoy covering these devices, and the new ones that come out, I genuinely am excited for. And I just share the excitement, and maybe I kill people's eardrums with me talking about Pixels all the time. But hey, when you like something and you're passionate about something, it's going to show. And that's what I'm about. So hopefully that clears this up.